Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is June 28th, 2013. I was wrong in the other video, today is the 28th. Me and Pepper are back up here on Pickerel Lake in Nowland Township, running a couple more motors. This one here is a 1987 15-horse Evinrude. This motor came to me and I was told that it probably hadn't run for about 6 to 8 years. It was missing a bunch of pieces. It was missing the airbox, it was missing the entire recoil assembly. So I went through and did a full service on it, and we're going to give you a little, we're just out testing it, we'll give you a little demonstration on this one. So, here we go. It turned out nice, it runs good. Go front, Pep. Go front. Go front. Go front. Go on. Go on. Go on. That'll do it for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.